Let's get started. A great way to get to know your airbrush is by learning how to take it apart. This is what an airbrush looks like fully assembled and ready to use. While the compressor is off, remove the air hose from the airbrush by unscrewing the metal base counterclockwise. Be sure not to remove the air valve casing. Unscrew the handle. Next, unscrew the needle stop screw. Gently remove the needle by pulling from the back of the airbrush. Be very cautious doing this as the needle is extremely delicate. Unscrew the spring guide from the back of the airbrush. Next, remove the needle spring. Remove the trigger button by lifting it sideways and pulling it out from the base. Remove the connected needle chuck and back level by pushing forward to the lower level, then pulling out the combined part slowly. Now, if your gun's needle chuck and back level are not connected, you simply pull out the needle spring and needle chuck together. Remove the trigger button, then holding your airbrush upside down, gently shake out the back lever onto your hand or a paper towel. Remove the head cap and unscrew it counterclockwise. Finally, remove the nozzle by using the mini nozzle wrench that came with your airbrush.